Hazrat Khawaja Malik Siddique, rahimullah. His very famous incident, he once had come to Hazrat Sheikh's house, and as Murshid Alam wasn't at home, his son was there. So he said, Hazrat, now that you have come to visit, I want to request you to please stay and eat before you leave. So he said, okay. So food was brought to him and everything was laid out. And he said, ये आज तुम्हारे घर में सूअर कैसे पका हुआ? So, naturally Hazrat Murshid Alam's son, is like petrified. I think, इतनी बड़ी statement, ये कहाँ से आ गई? So he went to his mother and he said, what happened? So his mother was like, inna lillah. Because this neighbor of ours, she had been after me that when your sheikh comes, next time I will bring her food. So I, let her know that Hazrat is here. So she sent the food and I had sent that on. And, later on they found out that there was some element of haram in it. So Hazrat, even by looking at the food, he would tell that there's haram mixed in it. This is Farasatul Moment.